Team 1 and we talk about an earthquakes, as well as we will give some recommendation of what must be done during an earthquake to stay safe.
An earthquake is a heavy movement of the earth which is a cause of the liberty of accumulated energy during a long period of time.
We are going to give some recommendations will help them to know how to act in the event of an earthquake.
Before, if you are cautious, select objects that you consider dangerous and regulate them, so that you are not in a danger during an earthquake.
If you want to avoid risks, practice earthquake drills. You will know to do in that case.
If you want to be prepared, reserve food and drinking water for at least 3 days.
Have a contact telephone outside the city in which your family members can call, if you want to let them know that you are well.
Know where and how to shoot off electricity, gas and water if you want to avoid accidents.
During an earthquake, the first thing to do is to stay calm, because if you do it, you will save your life.
If an earthquake occurs, you will not run. You can have an accident.
Another recommendation is that if you live in buildings, do not use the elevators during the earthquake.
If an earthquake occurs, do not stay where you are. Go to a point where you are sure.
If it is inside the house, you will cover at the head.
If you want to save, you will take a few steps and place yourself under the table.
If you want to be well, you will be away from windows, glass walls, and exterior doors.
If there is no table or desk near you, cover your face and head with arms. Crouch away from window and shelves.
If you are in the street, you will be away from poles and cables.
If you are inside a crowded place, you will stay where you are. Do not run to the doors.
If you are moving in a car, stop as fast as you can and stay inside until the earthquake passes.
If you are in the car, avoid parking near or below buildings, trees, bridges or electric cables.
If you have to go out, watch for falling objects, fallen electrical cables and walls.
After the earthquake, you are trapped in a building. Don't move and stay calm.
If you want to avoid damage, cover your mouth and nose with your clothes or a handkerchief.
If you are trapped, give small blows to be heard and rescued.
You know that after an earthquake there will be repetition is place where you was affected by the first tremor. Avoid returning to it.
If you want to help, verify that people do not have injuries. If so, will not move them.
If you are going to help someone and you are injured, you will establish your neck and back first.
At home, if you smell gas or hear a whistling or blowing sound, you will open window and exit.
If gasoline vapors are detected and the building is not well ventilated, exit immediately.
Cut the electric current if you cannot expect that there is damage.
We close the water supply in the main outlet if the water lines are damaged.
Finally, remember that if you want to save your life, you must follow the recommendations given.
Thank you very much for your attention.